Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you are enjoying watching my recipe and travel vlogs, and if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing and also hit that little bell notification for updates. Well, today we are going to cook a deliciously wholesome Bodo style chicken recipe called Dauu Jinka Aloo Wngkree. The recipe is simple, healthy and absolutely delicious. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, rich gourd, potato, onions, green chilies, oil, turmeric powder and salt. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your sliced onions and fry it for a couple of minutes on a medium flame. Now add your chicken pieces, salt, turmeric and lightly crushed green chilies. Stir them well, cover and cook it for 10 minutes. It's time to add our chopped potatoes and rich gourd. Stir them well and open cook it for a couple of minutes. Once the water from the dish is completely dry, add 1 cup of water, stir, cover and cook it for 20 minutes. And here you go, our delicious Bodo style chicken is ready. The dish looks beautiful. The chicken is perfectly cooked and the gravy is slightly sweet and feels soft as you eat. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Do give this video a big thumbs up, and it's time for me to dig in.